So, how do we help you escape the marketing matrix? So, we have come up with a 4-week intensive workshop that you guys can take in order to move out of that cookie cutter, that energy draining, that overwhelm, and all the stuff that happens, when you think about your marketing and how you're doing your marketing now. It's called the Illusion of Marketing Workshop, Escaping the Marketing Matrix. It's the first in a series of workshops that we're going to be doing to help move the needle in a heart-centered way. So what it's going to do for you is that all that overwhelm and all that fear-based, copy and paste strategy that you're using, we're going to create ways that are going to help you feel confident in your messaging and really start becoming magnetized to the people that would love your service. If you're really trying to crack the code for a lot of the marketing strategies that you've been, told to use and stuff like that, and it's really draining your energy, it's going to help you move from that energy draining, crack the code type, feeling, and get you into a heart-centered, soul-centered way so that you could really grow your business with ease, fun, and expansion, instead of the fear, lack, limitation, and pressures that most people are taught to use in their business study. And of course, all of those complicated funnels and those things that most people are using nowadays that just most of us aren't tech savvy. I'll be honest, even myself, I'm not super tech savvy. I could figure a lot of stuff out, but I'll tell you this, when I simplify all of those processes and I get rid of the stuff that really doesn't align with me and feel good to me when I use them and do them, then I usually just end up not using it, and I get rid of it completely. I stop paying those monthly subscriptions to it, and it feels a whole lot better to me to go to maybe just one platform and integrate a bunch of stuff in there, and then this way I have this one simple thing to use. But we'll find out exactly what feels good to you and help you simplify those things. We'll walk through it with you so that you understand it a little bit better. So on this slide here, you're going to see what exactly each week consists of. So it is 4 weeks total with 3 calls per week. Like I said, it is intensive. So your commitment of 3 hours a week is vital to make the change in this short amount of time, right? In 1 month, this is tens of thousands of dollars worth of knowledge and experience that I've gained, and I'm condensing it down into 1 month so that there is a rapid transformation. That can be extended maybe later on. It all kind of depends on how you guys feel about it and what exactly it is that's moving the needle in your business at that time. So what you're going to walk away with this workshop is total clarity in your business and in your marketing strategy. So there's not going to be any more of that second guessing and doing things that just don't feel aligned with your mission and your vision. You're going to get authentic, simple marketing that attracts the clients effortlessly in your messaging, in your systems, and all that good stuff. You're going to get a lot of freedom from the outdated, exhausting strategies that just don't fit you anymore, and it probably doesn't fit a lot of people. To be fair, you're going to get a clear, powerful vision of your business's impact, and you're going to get more energy with ease and alignment in your business than you probably have ever had before. It's just going to feel good. And, did I mention fun? It is fun, 100%, right? And I do my very best to make things very light and expansive so that we stay at those high vibrational levels, so that everything that we are doing, every action that we take, is a true inspired action. So the question on everybody's mind is, how much is it, right? So for the live version, it's going to be $996 just for the live, right? And that's the 3 calls. That's, all the tech support that you could handle, and there's some bonuses in there as well, as you could see from the slide. There's going to be a replay of this workshop. Now, if you wait, and maybe today isn't the day for you, or this week or whatever, it's going to be rolled out on March 24th is when we're actually going to start. So between now and then, you will get the live price. So anytime after that, though, And if we're already in week 1, week 2, week 3, or week 4, or any time after, the price is going to go up to $12.96. So it would behoove you not to wait for the replay, right? And get in there, get engaged, get in the community. We have a bunch of stuff already in the community that you can consume now, and that will move the needle. I think that there's sold out sales that's in there, and there's a few other things, because we can't do this alone, right? Impacting the world takes partnership. It takes aligned partnership for a common mission. So if you're ready to get on board with this, or if you still have questions to ask about it, I implore you, down below, there's 2 pills. There's the blue pill and the red pill. I really, really hope that you guys pick the red pill, and we can just make sure that this is a good fit for you. And there's no obligation. I'm not gonna, sell you on anything. I'm not gonna go crazy nuts and do, buy this, buy now. That's not how we operate. If you haven't figured that out by now, the choice is yours. I really, really would love to see you on a call. And yeah, make it an amazing day, guys.